Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by right-clicking the taskbar settings and check Auto Hide and Lock states. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC and watch for Explorer. EXE responsiveness. Restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager to refresh the taskbar process quickly. Check display scaling and multiple monitors for layout problems that hide icons. Set a recommended screen resolution like 1920 x 1080 and use 100% or 125% scaling. Toggle taskbar behaviors and observe immediate changes. These steps diagnose most simple tasks. Run System File Checker with sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. If problems persist, use dism with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to restore Windows image health. Restart Explorer after repairs to apply changes and refresh the taskbar state. Update your graphics driver through Device Manager or the vendor installer for rendering fixes. Consider resetting taskbar settings using PowerShell commands to re-register shell components. Reboot the machine and check the taskbar again to confirm the core components now operate normally. Create a system restore point before major changes to recover from bad configurations. If issues continue, test with a new user profile to identify corrupted user-specific taskbar settings. Rebuild or migrate your profile only after confirming the new account shows a correct taskbar. Keep Windows updated and install cumulative updates to prevent recurrence of known bugs. Regularly backup settings or create a recovery USB to speed restoration after failures. Contact official support only if all repair and recovery steps fail to resolve the taskbar.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.